Hey Guardians, Micro here, and welcome to a vlog. I do not do very many of these just like me to camera. Like you guys really like the Minecraft vlogs, which is a little bit different. It's like me pointing a camera around and doing that. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. There's a lot of stuff that I need to tell you. Not a whole lot, but some things that if you guys don't follow me on my social media, like my Twitter and my Instagram, you guys won't know exactly what's going on. So as I'm sure you guys can see behind me, this is a completely